uh, Outlook search not showing recent mail, so some mails problem in the Outlook. So click to start button, type REGE, and then right click to run an administrator, click to yes, go to local machine, then software, slow down policy, then Microsoft, then Windows. So right click to new key. So type Windows search. Windows search, then enter. Okay, then again right click to new DOW and type P R E V E N T H, sorry, present indexing Outlook. Rename. Okay, and double click to type 1, and then guys restart your systems and check your Outlook. Okay.